The instructions shown in this video may not apply to your screen door, depending on how old it is. Contact your nearest Bradnam's office for instructions on how to adjust your screen door. Before you begin, ensure you're wearing all the appropriate safety equipment. You will need help from another person. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust the screen door. Standing on the outside, move the screen door close to the door jamb. Inspect the gap between the screen and the door jamb to determine which side needs to be raised or lowered. From the inside, locate the adjustment screws at the bottom of the screen. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, rotate the adjustment screw on the side that needs adjusting. Turn it anti-clockwise to lower the screen or clockwise to raise it. Check the gap between the screen door and the jamb. Adjust the screen again if necessary. Try to close and lock the screen. If it does, you've successfully adjusted the screen door. If the screen doesn't close and lock correctly, you'll need to adjust the strike. Please refer to our video, How to Adjust the Strike on a Bradnam Sliding Door.